Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous session I have discussed about nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. Okay, well now in this session I am going to continue with some other concept. Okay, that is electronic configuration of elements. Okay, just here I have divided the concept in two parts. Now in this session I am going to deal with the electronic configuration of few elements period wise. Well, electronic configuration of elements and the periodic table. Yes, we already know about what is the universal accepted form of a periodic table. It is the modern periodic table. It is also called long form of a periodic table. Just I will brief out what are all present in a modern periodic table. There will be 18 groups and 7 periods present, and all the elements are classified into how many blocks? 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block elements. Well, now here I am going to concentrate on which concept? I am going to deal with the electronic configuration of a elements. Well, before going for that electronic configuration, just I will recall the meaning of electronic configuration, whatever I have discussed in my previous sessions. Well, what is the electronic configuration? It is the distribution of electrons into available orbitals of an atom is called electronic configuration. I repeat, the distribution of electrons into available orbitals of an atom is called electronic configuration. Well, we know that those electronic configuration can be governed or assigned with the help of certain set of principles. Yes, I have discussed already. What are those four principles? First one, above principle. Again, above principle is studied with the N plus L rule. Second, I discussed about Pauli's exclusion principle. Third one, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. And the fourth one, rule of stable configuration. Well, with the knowledge of all these four principles, one could able to write the electronic configuration of any elements. Well, what is to be known here? We should be aware about the total number of electrons. Okay. Well, now just I will recall that above principle. What we said, the electrons enters into various available orbitals in the increasing order of their energies. And further, what I said, according to N plus L rule, one can able to give the relative energy of all these possible orbitals. Now I will go for electronic configuration in periods. So here I am going to deal with the electronic configuration period wise. Okay. The value of principal quantum number. What is the principal quantum number? It is indicated with the N. Okay. The value of principal quantum number. The value of principal quantum number N for the outermost, for the what it is called outermost, or even it is also called valence shell. Andre ಈ principal quantum number value ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? The outermost shell, or it is also called valence shell. Okay, indicates the period of that element in the periodic table. Okay, remember, the value of principal quantum number for the outermost, or I can say valence shell, indicates the period of that element in the periodic table. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೀವು 1s2 ಓಕೆ 2s2 ಈ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸೇ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ 1s2 2s2 ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ 1 and 2. These indicates the principal quantum number values, that is n value ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Well, what is the statement here? The value of principal quantum number for the outermost, or you can say valence shell, indicates the period of that element in the periodic table. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, say element x whose electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಔಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2s2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ the written in the written electronic configuration second is the valence shell, ಹೌದಾ, it is second is the last shell. n ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, n is equal to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ, this x element belongs to which period, it belongs to second period. You got it? Well, we go for example. Well, say for example sodium atomic number ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ರದು, atomic number 11. Say for sodium atomic number is 11. If I write the electronic configuration for sodium, say 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1, howda, it is the electronic configuration. Say atomic number 11, there will be 11 electrons, so I have to write the electronic configuration. So 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1 ಈಗ electronic configuration ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Now here I want to find out the sodium belongs to which period, sodium ಯಾವ period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, we have to look for outermost principal quantum number for the outermost or I can say valence shell. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 1 2 3 ಮೂರು ಶೆಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, as for the electronic configuration there will be 3 shells, first, second and third. According to the statement, what is the outermost shell here? The third is the outermost shell. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ, sodium belongs to which period? Sodium belongs to third period. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ you have to look for n value of outermost shell or I can say valence shell. What it indicates? It indicates the period to which element belongs. Okay, well, see here, as the outermost shell value is 3, howda, n last shell n value ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ, therefore sodium belongs to third period ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Well, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ, these are the two elements. Now if I consider electronic configuration, so hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2. So the first period ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ, n is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. There is no case of, there is no thinking of outermost, there is only one shell, that is n is equal to 1. The first period start with the filling of lowest level 1s and has 2 elements. ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. It has only 2 elements. What are those? Hydrogen and helium. Okay, so here I repeat the statement, the first period starts with the filling of lowest level energy anta bandre, which is going to have, which orbital is going to have lowest energy, it is 1s. So lowest level 1s and has 2 elements. Well, now coming to the second period, the second period anta bandre, second period starts with which element, lithium, and ends with which element, neon. Okay, so second period n is equal to 2. Okay, outermost shell whose shell value, outermost shell value or principal quantum number value is 2, n is equal to 2. So second period starts with lithium, that is 1s2 2s1 and ends with neon 2s2 2p6. The electrons are filled in 2s and 2p subshells. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಲ್, ಯಾವುದದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಶೆಲ್. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಶೆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಬ್ ಶೆಲ್ಸ್, 2s and 2p ಸಬ್ ಶೆಲ್ಸ್. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Here in all these elements electron filled in 2s and 2p orbitals or can say subshells. Well, now similarly if I consider third period andre n ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು n is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Here outermost shell where n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ say here third period. It starts with which element? Third period. The third period starts with sodium and ends with the argon. Here outermost shell whose n value is 3. Well, the electrons are filled where? They are filled in 3s and 3p subshells. When you look at the electronic configuration of all these elements, in all the cases, electrons are filled in 3s and 3p subshells. Okay, it is about third period. Third period andre n is equal to 3. Here, third period starts with sodium and ends with the argon. Atomic number 11 to 18. Okay, then we look for some MCQs. First one, the what is the question here? The electronic configuration 2s2 2p6 denotes. Well, first option fluorine, second option neon, third option sodium and the fourth option calcium. The electronic configuration 2s2 2p6 denotes. Here 2s2 2p6 idenidu outermost electronic configuration. Okay, OEC andre 2s2 2p6 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? It is a valential configuration or even it is considered as outermost configuration. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2s2 2p6 second period fluorine, say what is the answer here? Neon is the answer. Neon belongs to second period, so its electronic configuration ends with the 2s2 2p6 configuration. Say fluorine, sodium belongs to third, calcium belongs to fourth period, so answer neon. Okay, well, so second period starts with the lithium, ends with the neon. Atomic number 10. So 3 to 10 second period. Neon electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6. Andre second valential configuration is 2s2 2p6 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The electronic configuration 2s2 2p6 denotes which element? It is the neon. Okay, well, the sodium belongs to first period, second period, third period and fourth period. Sodium just na ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? Sodium atomic number ಏನಿದೆ sodiumಗೆ 11 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 11. If you write the electronic configuration, say 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. ಈಗ ನಾವು period ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? You should be familiar with writing electronic configuration. ಇದು innermost shell ಆಯ್ತಾ? What is the outermost shell? 3s1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3s1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the n value for? What is the n value here? N is equal to 3. N value of outermost shell is 3. Therefore, sodium belongs to which period? Sodium belongs to third period. ಅಂದ್ರೆ option ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Option C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, well, so explanation is there. So when you look at the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s1, so here outermost shell n value is 3, therefore sodium belongs to third period. Okay, well, next, which of the following has both members from the same period of periodic table? Question, just I will repeat the question. Which of the following has both members from the same period of periodic table? Well, sodium fluorine, next magnesium calcium, sodium, chlorine, and beryllium and aluminum. Your answer ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sodium and chlorine is the answer. Question ఏంటి? Which of the following has both members from the same period of the periodic table? ಒಂದೇ period ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sodium and chlorine is the right answer. So sodium third period ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum, okay, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Atomic number ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Atomic number 11 to atomic number 18. They belongs to which period? They belong to third period. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Both the members should belong to same period. ಈಗ sodium, fluorine ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. Sodium belongs to third, but fluorine belongs to second, so it is not. Magnesium and calcium. ಈಗ magnesium ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, magnesium belongs to third, but calcium belongs to fourth. ಇದು ಕೂಡ wrong. Beryllium and aluminum. ಈ beryllium ಏನಿದೆ? It belongs to second, but aluminum belongs to third. ಇದು ಕೂಡ wrong ಇದೆ. What is the option? C option. Here sodium and okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ chlorine. Sodium and chlorine both belongs to same period. ಯಾವುದು? third period ಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is the right answer. So option C is correct. Well, next question. Write the atomic number of the element present in the third period and 17th group of periodic table. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, write the atomic number of the element present in the third period. Third period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು and 17th group of the periodic table. ಇದು 17th group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Third period 17th group. Well, 16, option A 16, option B 17, option C 18 and option D 15. First we look for the answer. ಏನಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? atomic number 17 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Well, say third period ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 17th group ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so outermost electron configuration of third period and 17th group. Third period ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ third period and 17th group ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ outermost electronic configuration will be 3s2 3p5. third period 3s 3p. so second period ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2s 2p ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. third period ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 3s and 3p ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 17th group ಇದ್ದಾಗ third shell, that is a third shell, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 3s2 3p5 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು 18th group ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3s2 3p6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. so it is the outermost configuration. so here atomic number third period ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರಾ, so atomic number will be 70. Well, with this I am going to conclude about today's session. Again in the next session I am going to deal with some other concept. Okay, thank you.